Good morning, students. How are you? So, students, today we will start a new chapter, okay? English grammar. Get ready, students, with your English grammar book. Today we will do the chapter 33 and words that may often be confused. Today we will discuss this chapter. So, get ready with your grammar book. Get ready. In English, there are quite a few pairs or groups of words having similar sound, okay, though the meanings are totally different, and sometimes we may and we get confused. Such words are called homophones. So, we should be careful, okay, while we are using this word, we should be careful while using them. Here, some examples are given. The first one, allowed. Allow, you know, allow means permit, okay, and allowed. Allowed, ALLOWED. 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 And another one is here, allow means permission, okay, permitted, allowed, permitted, and allowed means loudly, isn't it? So, here example is given. The teacher allowed me to go home a little early, and allowed, please read this poem aloud. That means loudly, read the poem loudly. Another example is given here. Angel. Angel and an angel appear to the child in a dream. We know angel, we dream of an angel, isn't it? An angel comes from heaven. And another word is angle. We already learned this term while we are doing geometry, isn't it? A triangle has 3 angles. Do you remember that? Okay. So, another is birth. Birth, you know, in a train, when we travel by a train or boat, okay, we get this term, isn't it? Upper berth, lower berth, and another is bath. Here we all celebrate our dear one's birthday, isn't it? That birth. So, these two words are totally different, though they sound similar. That's why they are homophones. Okay, another is brake. BRAKE. Brake, you know, when someone drives car, then he knows the use of brake, okay, and another brake is BREAK, brake, you know, brake. This vase is made of glass. If it falls, it will immediately break. When at home you break by accident, if you break the glass table or any glass thing made of glass, then mother gives a lesson, isn't it, students? So, next, another word, cell, CELL, cell. Cell, you know, the battery that is used in the mobile, in remote, isn't it? That is cell. And another cell is sell. We want to sell our old furniture. So, these are the examples of homophones. So, we must be careful while using them. Clear? Another word is diary. DIARY. We need a diary, isn't it? To note everything in school. We have school diary. And another is dairy. From dairy farm, we get dairy product. Clear? Another is diet. Died, you know, his father died at the age of 80, and that is a mishap, isn't it? And another word is died. This is like coloring, colored. Okay. Next word is dose. Dose, we use this word when we are talking about medicine, isn't it? Medicine dose. And another is dose. Here dose means light sleep. Okay, slightly awaken. If I can doze for a few minutes, I will again become fresh. Okay. Next, floor. Floor, you all know, isn't it? Floor, we always clean the floor, we sleep on the floor, or we, okay. And another is first floor, second floor, you know. And another is flour. Flour, roti, chapatis are made of flour. Okay. Then the next word is hair. Hair. We all love our hair, isn't it? And another is hair. The white small animal hair. We all love hair also, isn't it? So cute animal. Next. Hill. H-E-A-L, hill. Hill means cure. Okay. The wound took a long time to heal. Another word is heel. High heel shoes, isn't it? He fell on a piece of broken glass and got a cut on the heel. Next word is loose. Children should wear loose clothes. Okay, that is not opposite of tight. And the homophones are loose. If you don't keep your things carefully, you will lose. Okay. So we must take care of our important things. We must take care of our things. Otherwise, we can lose them. Next, pain. Pain, you know, she overate and got pain in the stomach. And another is pane, window pane. The ball hit the window pane and broke it. So students, you have to learn each word. You have to remember each word. So another one is peace, P-E-A-C-E. Peace, we all want to live in peace, isn't it? And another peace is P-I-E-C, peace. We need a piece of cake. Okay. So things are different in meaning. Pray, P-R-A-Y, pray means pray kara, pray, invoke. Another is P-R-E-Y, pray, the tiger pounced on its prey. Next, principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L, principal, the head of the institution. And another one is principle, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E, principle means the basic rule, okay, a basic rule. Then comes quite, Q-U-I-T-E, quite means a slight, okay. My father was quite satisfied with my result. Another one is quite, Q-U-I-E-T, quiet means come. The child cannot keep quiet even for 2 minutes. So these are the examples of homophones. So students, learn this word, learn the spellings very carefully. Okay. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you so much. Bye students. Bye bye.